How to turn on or turn off Gapless on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off Gapless on Spotify easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this wheel and go down until you find the Gapless option. Okay, where is it? And here is it. Now you can turn it off or turn it on as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.